Okay, the next test is to walk from here over to that island via this floating dock. So let's see how we fare. Once you get your sea legs, it's okay. You ready? Oh, I can feel it already. Here we go. Get your seat. Let's do it. Oh, this ain't so bad. Okay, that wasn't so bad. It's gorgeous out here. Don't come out here very often. Well, this is actually the second time that Eden and I have been out here, 3 years ago. So it's kind of nice to come back. A few changes here and there, but pretty much the same. Otherwise. So, what is this again? Big Brother Island? Yeah. So like, I don't know, PB, what is it? PBB? PBB. All right, we didn't come out here last time, so let's go check it out. All right, the Big Brothers Island, Philippine Big Brother, Big Brother Island. It's pretty much just a scenic lookout. Yeah, just kind of an extra little add-on, I guess you could say. Yeah, there's a lookout up here. Let's go see. Oh yeah. All right, we'll go up there in a minute. Okay, more steps. But this is the lookout. Let me do this. Let me pan this nice and slow. So that's kind of looking back towards the mainland, I guess. Going back towards Lookout, somewhere that direction. And then we're kind of like in the middle of all the islands, more or less. The big ones, anyways. So, just kind of pan around here. It's really pretty. Pilgrimage Island, where we just were, and a floating dock that we just came across. People down there doing a bunch of snorkeling and whatnot. God, look at that. Catching crabs. Oh, okay. Pretty sweet. So, yeah. It's a gorgeous but very hot day. Trying to keep the water going down, keep the fluids going down as much as possible. So, yeah, real nice. Beautiful day to be out. Hopefully, I won't look like a tomato tonight when I take a shower. All right. Destination 2. I think we're going to Canon Island now. Okay, location number 2, Governor's Island. There's a really nice view deck on this island, but we got to climb some steps to get there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll see you up top side.
The birthday boy.
All right, oh, the birthday boy. All right. Oh man, what a fun! All right, we made it. Out of breath. This is the lookout. Yeah, baby. Yeah, it's nice up here.
Happy birthday, man. Thank you. I made it to the top. Yeah. Hey, Han.
Hey, hey.
This is video.
We made it. I'm excited to see what's next.
This is a treat for my brother.
Okay, we're about done here. Governor's Island. We went up the steps, we came down the steps, and boy, that's a hell of a freaking workout. So that was fun though. Went up there in the blazing heat and took some pictures, and then I guess next is Canon Island. We'll go out there and see what that has to offer. So we'll check back in a little bit.